Hey loves, how y'all going? I'm back. Look at me with two forks. Look at y'all. I got some cheesy bread, onion rings, fish cakes, crab cake, french fries. All made by me. I ain't burning it this time. Take my time. So catch up. Maybe some. Gotta have a little bit. I got some cocktail sauce too. How y'all feeling on this Friday night? They kind of different. Just a little bit more cocktail. And a little bit of ketchup. And some water. As y'all know, I'm hungry. I was thinking doing the junk food Friday. I don't know why I'm trying to dip this bread in something. I wanted to show y'all this brownie my daughter made. And as soon as it cooled off enough, we jumped in it so deep, like 8 feet. So greedy. Just the two of us. You gotta get a spatula.
You made me some too.
It is a little bit chilly tonight.
No, you made me some too.
Hmm?
Made me some too.
Did I make you some? Yeah, I made you some.
Thank you. I like that piece right there.
It's in the tray under my plate. Look at that crab. Oh, can y'all see it?
A crab.
Yeah, crab cake. Oh, wait. That wasn't a good look. There you go.
Well, y'all did. Thank y'all did really
Alright.
with this.
Y'all know your sister's hungry.
So stretchy. So stretchy.
Ketchup, tartar
It's
sauce,
stuck. Wow.
and cocktail sauce. This real fudgy. It's so good though. Especially when it was warm. With the marshmallow. I told you to get a spatula.